Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can add glowing light effect in Canva. Right now, as you can see, we are into Canva and we have just selected a blank image template. Now we are going to the elements and here we are searching for car or motorcycle or any other vehicle, right? And we are just searching for an image on which we can add the glowing light effect, right? I'm just looking for a good car. You can select any car image. I am just looking for my dream car, right? And please don't laugh if I select any car that doesn't suits you, right? Where is my car? You might be guessing that, sir, why don't you start the video again from where you find your car on which you are going to add the image. Okay, it's looking nice, right? But I'm going to select this one. I'm not going to select this one, so I have removed. Now I'm going to search for light effect. Okay, and we are coming back from the photos, and here in the graphics, as you can see, there are some images that we can graphics that we can use, right? Okay, we are duplicating this, right, to create the light effect. Let me delete these one. This one was fine. The size was perfectly fine, right? We can change its position as per our requirement, right? So this is how you can simply create realistic light effect using Canva. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.